right, I didn't even so much want to do this one because I'm over it. But there are some Jamaicans who can't believe their eyes after seeing this pic of Dalton Harris. In the pic, Dalton Harris appeared to be sitting on the lap of his fellow male contestant Brendan Murray of the UK X Factor. Now, there's a picture. There's a picture. I didn't even know what was happening yesterday until I saw like 50 million people talking about it on social media. Blah, 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 blah. It's yesterday, me know. That's what I'm telling you. That's how bad and out of it I was. I didn't even know that something was happening. What are your views?
Let me tell you something. The only thing I'm concerned about is if me and mine eat at night time and we have a bed to sleep in.
Thank you.
Whatever Dalton Harris wants to do, he does whatever he wants to do. And he's a brilliant singer, fantastic. He's going to win the program. No if or buts about it. But I find that a lot of times we as Jamaica, we get so caught up with other people's lives, we don't even think about our own lives. We find joy in tearing people down because of things that we see. I don't know what the picture is. I don't know what's happening there. And quite frankly, I don't care. Because I really care this morning about my goats.
So, your goats. He responded on social media by putting another video up. It was to the ugly wave of homophobia that swept the island and the internet when the photo of him and his contestants emerged. So, we're going to take a look at the video and then we can see what you think about that. Oh, no video? Okay. Well, he put up a video, and in the video, he pretty much was saying, you know, he's a single man, and if you people have problems with seeing him hug a friend or two males hugging each other, then, you know, that's up to Uno, but him good. As I said, I'm over it. I believe people's personal choices are people's personal choices. Do the thing. I'm supporting him because I think he's an amazing singer, and that's what it is. I stay out of people's business. I mean, come on. That is so inconsequential in the grand scheme of things. Let's move on with our lives.
Yeah, you know, the thing that bothered me, that he had to do a video to explain himself.
And he said, you know, in the video that he wasn't explaining himself.
Well,
but he still explained himself. I think he felt like he had to justify it because,
whatever.
Okay, watch the video. We're going to see it.
You the X Factor youth.
I was on the internet this morning and saw something online, which is... nah, really, man? Completely, no, for real. I think if you is so uncomfortable with your sexuality that you feel like two dudes hugging is gay, then so be it. Like, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, I'm here living out my dreams. So is this dude. You know what I'm saying?
How you know?
How you know? So big up Jamaica.
Say up Galway.
Say big up Jamaica.
Big up Jamaica, say up Galway.
Up Galway.
Up Trim.
Up Trim.
Wait.
You know what I'm saying?
Up
So
Jamaica.
at the end of the day, we are living our lives, you know what I'm saying? And I have nothing to prove. But it's funny to me that my own country, when I fight for every single day, is showing our asses like this in a horrible way. And it's not good representation because we're not dumb people, you know? And who I sleep with definitely, I mean, this now nothing to do with who I sleep with. He's a single man, not sleeping with a man. So, peace and love. Anyways. Not an explanation, you know, just saying, mind your business, peace and love.
Guys, I'm over it. Are you over it?
Yeah.
Okay, we're over it, so we're moving on.
So,
big stuff now.
Yeah.
Simon Cowell said it was the best performance he had on X Factor so far. So, he's now in the semifinals. Watch it on TVJ at 3 p.m. with a rebroadcast at 8:30 p.m. Watch it and support him, and let's move on with the rest.
yeah, man, win the X Factor.
Big stuff now, big stuff.
All right, so my virgin sent this to me, and when I saw it, I was like, Jesus, fuck. I see it on Broadway. I see it from Mega Pitney. The Lion King trailer released. It's set to come out next year. The film has huge names attached to it, including Donald Glover,
My cousin.
Beyonce, Seth Rogen. What I got the name? Chiwetel Ejiofor. In the trailer, we see familiar open moments of the story where Rafiki presents a young Simba to the animal of the Pride Lands. Shibaba.
Sifu. No, stop it. Stop it.
No. I'm a mood this morning. You know. Oh, maybe that's why we have the animals, you know. Lion King. Yeah. I'm looking forward to that.
Are you excited?
Yeah, man.
You know. You know what this is doing to me, right?
Yeah.
This is like
I look
the
forward
whole
to it
reason
because
I ended up here.
and kids in this generation, children in this coming up
Them don't
generation,
know Lion King.
yeah,
My
they-
child does because I
they don't.
kind of
But
forced her to sit down.
they'll
Here we go.
understand.
We're going to see the trailer if you haven't seen it.
Everything the light touches is our kingdom. But a king's time as ruler rises and falls like the sun. One day, the sun will set on my time here and will rise with you as the new king.
Look at my peoples! Oh
Goosebumps.
my gosh, I'm so excited.
Yeah, the Lion King.
Are you excited?
Yeah,
Are
I
you
know
excited?
what? My friends made a funny joke. He said, I cry when Mufasa died in poor graphics. Don't cry when he died
In HD.
I'm so looking forward to
He's
it.
gonna cry in HD. It's gonna be great. Guys, that's all we have for trending topics for you this morning. If you want to talk about it with us, you know where to find us. Tune in, say something. We're ready to talk about it with you.